Okay, here we're set up in the mill because we're working on a Colt frame. It's a new Colt frame, and the back of the frame here, where the mainspring housing goes, we had a problem with our fit. The right side of this frame is about 60 thousandths higher in height compared to the left side. So when we put our mainspring housing in, when we were trying to blend this, we had a full checkering height difference between these two. So rather than file and try to maintain good lines, we're set up in the mill. We've got our dial indicator. We've run it back and forth. We have a good zero. We're within 1/1000th of parallel along our y-axis. So we're going to run our cutter down, move the frame and the table back and forth, and we're going to remove the 60 thousandths down here so that this height and that height are equal, and our mainspring housing will blend, and we'll have a nice single height row of checkering equal on both sides.